Hello students, today we will solve this question which has been asked in the JEE Main 2019 and it is from the chapter Surface Chemistry. Basically, this question is about adsorption, which is a very major term in surface chemistry. So let's look at the question. Question says we have been given four gases and we have been given the critical temperature of all these four gases. On the basis of this data, we have to tell that which gas shows least adsorption on a definite amount of charcoal. So basically, we have to relate adsorption with critical temperature. So as we know that adsorption is directly proportional to the range of critical temperature. So we see that the gas which is having the least critical temperature, that is hydrogen gas, which is H2, has 33 critical temperature. So basically it will show least adsorption. So the correct answer for this question is option B, H2. If you want to study more about the same concept, you can find the concept in the chemistry class 12th part 1, page number 125, line number 25. You can find more questions of the same type here and you can watch the concept here. I hope you understood the question. Thank you so much.